Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, approximately 1:30 in Honolulu, 7:30 in New York. It is Friday. Happy Aloha Friday as we say on the islands. It is April 16, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver, our weekend review, and what a week we've seen. Massive gains in both gold and silver have definitely affected our current trades. We'll detail that during the show, but more importantly, speak to the targets as to where we think those two precious metals could go. At the end of the show, we will also have a section on cryptocurrencies for those following that market. The show begins now. Gold had a solid performance this week with very, very nice moves. Yesterday, up about $28, another $10 gain today, resulting in over a $30 gain on the week. Currently, we have gold futures. This space is the most active June contract, trading at $1,777.30. Our current position, which we initiated on the 6th of April, buying June gold at $17.44, now is showing some very, very decent profits. I do have to report a correction on our position that we had in GLD. We were in fact stopped out at 162 after entering the trade at 162.82. This daily chart of June gold clearly illustrates the correction that we witnessed back in the beginning of February when gold was trading at approximately $1,960 to the first of a double bottom at $1,675. Market then had a rounded top, came back down and tested this particular price point again, and then began to move higher. What we are looking at is three distinct moving averages: the 21-day exponential moving average, the 50-day simple moving average, and a 100-day simple moving average. We entered our long position on the 6th of April. We got in at 1744, and one of the decisive factors to enter the trade at that point was the fact that we saw gold actually trade above the 21-day exponential moving average. The market traded sideways for a little bit, but as you can see over the last couple of days, we have had a nice move to the upside with yesterday's $28 gain resulting in a close above the 50-day moving average, and that is a key element. Today we had an additional $10 move, but we can see that the high that came in on gold when it traded to 1784.70 was a point when gold prices actually found some resistance at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. We can see that right here. That being said, if we continue to see gold prices rise, we will first have to take out 1784, 1785. The next target, of course, is going to be whether or not gold can move above 1800. And that's what we're hoping to see over the next couple of weeks. You can see the 100-day moving average at approximately 1804. And that is our current target, assuming that we can get a effective close above 1785 next week. Maintain your long positions in Forex and gold futures. Maintain your current stop. Silver had modest gains today, closing up approximately 8 cents, currently fixed at 26.04. Of course, we entered a long position in May silver at 25.21. We moved our stops up yesterday, and we'll talk about it when we pull up some of our technical studies. We are still long SLV, currently fixed at $24.09 per share. After factoring in today's gain of 6 cents per share, we did move our stops up yesterday. We are looking at a chart of May silver. Of course, we did enter our long position on May 6th. We can see that. That's what this specific arrow is right here, and it is this green candle that we entered. We moved our stops up yesterday. We are currently trading at 26.04, but you can see that the high overcame any kind of resistance at this 50% retracement level, as well as the 50-day moving average. And that is where I believe we have current resistance. Assuming that we can break through that particular price point in terms of targets, I believe we could see silver move as high as 27.12 with a maximum move to the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement that occurs at approximately $28.50. Maintain your long positions in Forex and silver futures as well as SLV. For those interested in trading the cryptocurrencies, this is the report for Friday, April the 16th.
This week wasn't only exciting for the precious metals, it was also an exciting week for crypto. The big news this week was Coinbase's IPO. When the nearly decades-old crypto exchange Coinbase went public this week on the NASDAQ, investor enthusiasm pushed stock prices upwards of $400 per share. The enthusiasm towards this IPO really illustrates the market is hungry for more ways to invest in crypto other than what is being offered now, especially with their no ETFs being available in the United States. So any traders that took our call on April 12th to buy BTC got in at approximately $60,500, so about $1,500 below where we are. We've adjusted our stops up to 59,000, and I still feel good about that trade. However, I feel even better about our Ethereum trade. If we look at our chart we have up now, we can see, if you recall from last week when we issued a prediction that Ethereum would hit 2,400 to 2,500 by the end of April. For those of you that recalled our last week's prediction on Friday's show, we called for 2,400 to 2,500 Ethereum price by the end of April, and we got that in about 6 days. The market hit a new all-time record high yesterday, above 2,500, and traders should have pulled profits at that point. If you have not pulled profits and you took our call buying Ethereum at $2,100, you can simply exit the trade now and earn yourself a nice, and you would have earned yourself $345 per coin.
This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you on Monday for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.